Right, okay, lawnmower update. So the part came for the grass, which this protects the belt. It looks like it goes on. I'm not too sure how it goes on. I'll have a look in a minute. Yep, definitely don't know how that goes on. I'm looking at that. I'm going to clean. You can see all this. I'll get rid of some of that. Let's get rid of all that. Get rid of that, and then I got to put the belt on. So I want to clean this as well. So I'll clean all this out. And then the belt's got to go on first before I put this on. How does that fit? Oh, I don't know. Oh, I might have an idea. So I have to clean all this off. And this is the drive. Oh, blimey. Look at that. You can't see that, can you? Look at that. Now, underneath that is a cog. See if I can show you. Nope, you can't see it yet. Let me switch the light on, see if we can see it then. 2 seconds. Right. Oh, there we go. There it is. All buried. So, I'll put a link to the previous video if you want to see it. Underneath here. There we go. There we go. We're getting to it now. Just hope we haven't run over any dog poo. Nothing worse than that. Anyway, so I'm going to get this off. See, it's all clogged up as well, so that's got to come. That's got to come out. So I'll have a go at that, and I'll bring you back in a sec. When I've cleaned it up, and all this grass has got to come out. And I don't think it should be in there. There we go. There's loads of it. Right, so that's what we're doing, clearing that up. Yeah, and then putting the belt on. The drive up here, and then the cover. To take the cover off, I just noticed now, I just did it for you when you come, there's just a posi drive screw there, and that comes out. You can see that. Yeah, anyway, so bring you back in a sec. Oh, you need to get your fingers right at the back here, and then force this crud out. Look at this. It's jammed. There we go. Out. And then all along the back here. Remember, make sure your mower's supported. Not too far back because you'll end up with oil coming out. So just be careful of that. All I've done is put a strap and holding it back by the handle. That's all I've done. A bit of information there for you. Start cleaning the casing. Oh, that's not bad now. I'll finish off and then I'll show you fitting the guard and the belt. So the belts first. Right. Okay, so you want to undo that. You got to pull that back first. No, you got to put this on first. Like so. That goes on there, and then you've got to push this at the same time. Oh, blimey. You can't see that, can you?
It's hard to see it.
It is hard to see, isn't it? Hold on. Oh, because it's a new belt as well, it's probably bloody tight.
Oh, you got the wrong belt.
No, I don't think so. Might have done. Oh, hold on. Let's have a go. Oh, nearly. I'm going to pause for a sec. Ugh. Okay, so I got the edge on at the back here, and then just turn that, and that's it. It went on. God blimey, that's tight. There we go. The next is, do you know how this goes on? I'm trying to figure out how it goes on. Oh, I see. There we are. Look, Lewis. You see that? Here. Oh, just a couple of clips there. So you got 2 clips there, like so. So they go in there, and is that bent? Oh, that's it, he's in. And then, I can't see any clips at the top here. Where's that? That's it, and then we'll take this screw.
This one bolt in the middle, is it?
It's just one bolt, by the look of it, and it's this one here, which we got. Nice brass one. I see, and that stops all the grass then accumulating around. I suppose you're going to get a bit, aren't you?
Yeah.
I don't want to over tighten that. No.
They'll keep it protected from any sticks flying up and trying to take it off.
Oh, that's it. That's it. Oh my god, that's beautiful. Yeah, look at that. That's really good fit. That's it. How to fit a belt and a, what would you call that? It's a belt cover, isn't it? Just a belt cover. Yeah. Done. Right. Oh, one more thing on this side we're going to have to do. I'm going to have to order, which I'll look for, is a drive belt cover.
Oh yeah.
Because that's going to get all messed up as well. So that's another one, but I won't do a video on that. It's pretty straightforward. It looks like a single bolt in the middle here. Undo it. Cover goes on. Tighten up. That's it. And possibly a plastic handle for that.
Yeah.
And there we go. If you enjoyed the vid, I'll give this a bit of a clean. If you enjoyed the vid, give it a thumbs up and a like. That would be great. And I'll put a link in the description for both these items, the belt and the belt cover. All right. Take care. And we will see you in the next one.